What do you want to say to him? Quack? What questions would you want to ask him? Let's ask him what he's going to have for dinner. Bread?
Yeah.
Why don't you ask him?
Yes.
He said yes?
Yeah.
What is he going to have for dessert? Wood?
Yeah, wood.
Wood? Do you want some wood for dessert?
We're dancing.
You are dancing.
We're gonna say hi to him.
Okay, let's say hi to him. You want me to come with you? Well, he doesn't want us to say hi to him. He's going further and further away. You think he's scared of us? Oh, there he goes.
There he is.
Can we get him?